All right, we created a attribute and or we added an attribute so that it could tell us the quantity. But if you look at here, the very first part here is exploded, and this part here exploded. It says sub-assembly. So if you don't want that sub-assembly, then you have to filter that out. And so that means that we need to go to repeat region and then create a filter, select the region, and we're going to select by item. And then we're going to select this item. I don't want this here. And then simply click OK. And then done. And then it removes that sub-assembly. Okay. We just wanted all the parts and not the, I'm going to click done here. Um, and then repeat region. There you go, done, go. And then switch symbol. Okay, there you go. So that's how to get rid of the sub-assembly that we don't want. We just want our bill of materials to list down all the parts, not the sub-assemblies. Okay.